Yo, what is good, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing the M-Tech rear bumper on my E90 as well as wrapping it. So right now I have my stock bumper on. We're going to remove it and then we're going to install the M-Tech rear bumper so I can wrap it on the car because it's a lot easier like that. So, oh my god, my bumper almost fell off. But yeah, I'm going to remove several 8mm screws that the bumper has. I believe it has like 2 Torx ones as well. And I have to remove the tail lights, so a bunch of screws that I have to remove. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. Set you guys up on tripod, install the M-Tech rear, and then we'll get to wrapping it. Alright guys, got most of the 8mm screws off. The bumper is pretty loose now. So now I have 2 screws, one on this side. I think this one might have came out already. So yeah, this one's good. This side is good because I broke it, but it's fine because it's my OEM bumper. We have another screw on this side. So it's kind of hard to get to since my car is lowered. So I'm going to have to raise it up somehow. I don't have a low profile jack anymore because mine gave out. So all I have is this one. And I'm gonna have to put like a piece of wood under it and then raise it up, so it's like a big struggle, but I'm gonna have to do that so I can take off the rear bumper, and then the rest is all clips and it should come off smoothly. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now and then I'll pick it up. Alrighty guys, we finally got the bumper off. Those clips on the side over there are so hard to unclip. I don't know why, but they're really hard to unclip. I broke most of them on my bumper, but it's all good because that bumper is all scratched up and it has a bunch of like paint chips or whatever, so it doesn't even matter. We're gonna throw my M-Tech rear one on right now, and then we're gonna get to wrapping it, so let's get it. Bumper is now mounted, so I'm gonna go ahead and throw on the diffuser now just so I can see how much the diffuser does cover. That way I can vinyl wrap everything and not miss one spot. So I'm gonna throw it on real quick, just a quick little test fit, and then we'll get to vinyl wrapping it. Damn, this thing looks so sick and it's not even finished yet. So just imagine this thing fully wrapped. So I got the diffuser on. I know how far to go in now. So I'm gonna go cut up the material real quick and then we'll be back and start wrapping this thing. Alright, we got the material all cut up now, ready to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and sand down the bumper with 2000 grit sandpaper to take out these scratches that it has. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it has a scratch right here and the surface is pretty rough. So to have a nice smooth surface to work with, I'm gonna hit it with that 2000 grit sandpaper and then hit it with the air compressor to knock off all those dust particles and whatever's left behind. So I'm gonna do that real quick and then we'll lay the vinyl and we should be good to go. Alright you guys, the bumper is all prepped up, sanded down with 2000 and 1000 grit sandpaper because there were some areas where it did have like some deep scratches, so I hit it with 1000, but 2000 to finish it off. So it's all prepped up. I'm gonna lay the vinyl now, set you guys up on tripod. Alright guys, just a quick update. My camera just keeps dying back and forth, so I keep charging it, so that's why the video keeps stopping or whatever. But this thing is pretty much done. I'm just gonna cut all the excess vinyl off and we should be good to go. I'm gonna install the diffuser and finish it up. So I'm gonna send my camera back to charge and then I'll pick it up again. Alright guys, so here is the car, 100% complete wrap now. I'm so excited. This thing looks incredible. Just look at that rear. It makes a huge difference. It looks so sporty, especially with that diffuser. So this thing literally came out perfect, not one single flaw. Like, this is like the best piece of the car, so it came out really good. Really proud of myself with this one because the bumpers are pretty difficult. But anyways, I do plan on upgrading the diffuser. I know they sell some carbon fiber ones that look a little bit more aggressive, so I'm going to be looking into those. Going to be looking into some new taillights. I have them tinted all red and they just blend in with the wrap, so I want to do something a little different, maybe tint them slightly. I don't know exactly what to do yet, so I'm going to take a look at some new taillights. If you guys have any suggestions, leave them down below in the comment section. I'll take a look. Probably going to be adding a lip spoiler to this as well because it looks pretty naked back here. So I'm open to any suggestions. If you guys want to leave something down below in the comment section, I'll take a look and we'll go from right there. But this thing looks incredible, guys. Let me give you guys a little walk around. Look at those tips. Anyways guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, make sure you guys leave a like for me. It really helps me out because you're new to the channel. Hit that subscribe button for more E90 content. I have a lot of stuff coming to this car. It's gonna look so dope. We have my custom headlights being built next week. I'm sending them out on Monday to Arizona and those should be rolling back in within like 2 weeks or so. So I'm gonna have a video on that. The headlights are gonna look killer, guys, and it's really gonna set off the whole front end. So be on the lookout for that. And with that being said, I will see you guys in my next video. Later, guys.